Hello, everyone. Are you having trouble cleaning your old glasses? Have the lenses become dull and covered in minor scratches, and are they not cleaning properly? Today, I'm sharing a fantastic way to polish and clean your glasses, leaving the lenses crystal clear and sparkling. It's truly amazing. My friend, all you have to do is follow this simple step-by-step method to achieve the same results without spending any money. Actually, all you need are two simple things: petroleum jelly and regular toothpaste, not the whitening kind that contains abrasive particles that can damage the lenses. Asterisk. First, take a small amount of petroleum jelly. Then, add the same amount of toothpaste on top. Mix the two ingredients well. As you know, toothpaste contains fine, tiny, abrasive particles. These particles are able to polish your glasses, lenses, and gently remove minor scratches. Now, apply the mixture smoothly and evenly to the lens using a cotton swab. Repeat the process with the other lens. You can tell me which country and region you're watching the video from. I'd love to welcome you to my channel. And don't forget to subscribe and leave a comment on the video. We now have a thin layer on the glasses. Leave it for about 5 minutes. After 5 minutes, gently clean the lenses and wipe them with a soft cloth. Now, for the final touch, we'll use a lens cleaning and polishing solution. It's available at optical stores for less than $1, and its benefits are incredible. You can use it to polish your phone or tablet screen, or even microscope lenses. It's very effective. Look at the result. It's excellent and impressive. The glasses look brand new. Tip 2. Removing stubborn printed text from eyeglass lenses. Sometimes when buying protective eyewear, we find that the lenses have printed text or a logo on them, which can be annoying. We want to remove that stubborn writing, but removing it might scratch the lens. The method is easier than you think. All we need is nail polish remover. It will dissolve the writing and remove it completely. Dampen a tissue with a few drops of nail polish remover and gently press it against the lens for 30 seconds. As you can see, it's a simple and easy method. These are some of the secrets opticians frequently use. I welcome all your questions. If you have any, leave them in the comments, and I'll be happy to answer them. Thank you for watching and for your interaction. I hope you enjoy your time, and see you in the next video.